Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make country in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing is we need water plus another water right here to create lake, and then add another lake to create ocean. Once you have ocean, add another ocean to create sea, and then add earth to create island, and then add another island right here to create continent. So now once you have continent, is that you want to remove it first. You want to go for earth plus wind to create dust, and then add water right here to create mud, and then add another mud to create clay. Add another clay right here to create brick, and then add clay into brick to create house. Add another house right here to create town, and then you want to add another town to create city, and then continent right here to create country. Once you have country, the next thing is to duplicate that, and you want to go for this one right here, and we now have country. So you can just make as many as you want right here. So that is basically how you do it.